Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to adjust loadout in CS2. Okay, first things first, access the loadout to initially view the city site. Click on the agents to switch between sites, city or T side. Customize the loadout separately for each site based on the available weaponry and skins. Categories are also listed, for example, sorting pistols, other pistols, rifles, to help organize the loadout. Clicking on this category filters the displayed items accordingly. You can also choose a specific weapon by dragging it from the category list and dropping it into the respective slot. Use the sorting options on the right side to organize the inventory by various criteria such as newest, quality, and alphabetical order, type, collection, or equip items. Sort through the inventory by quality or other criteria to find specific items acquired recently or based on preferred attributes. And as simple as it is, hopefully this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now adjust loadout in CS2. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.